there's a bird in there. We've just saved it, basically.
We're waiting for the box to come.
What box? So Logan here. We have Isaac, Martin, and some guys, and a girl. And the bird's underneath there. I don't think it's safe underneath there. I want to pick it up.
No, you pick it up when it goes in the box.
Where's the box?
Over there. Come in. I'll go get it.
Ellie, hurry up! And I just jumped in the beck for that. I had to go in the beck to save a baby, injured baby. Right, so it's underneath my jacket there. And at least I don't care if I'm wet. I don't care if I'm dirty. Isaac, stop! Wait, pass me that.
No.
Isaac, leave it.
Don't throw it in.
Why not?
Is that all you have? Yeah, I'll do it. I'm fine. Right, can you film?
Be careful.
No, someone else film. Logan,
Let it go again.
Logan, you film.
Because it'll be gentle when you're picking it up. Put
What am I
it in
supposed
there
to do?
and leave it over the top of it and then go up to the vets. Pick it up gently and put it inside the box, inside it. You feel it? You sure? Let's have a look.
Welcome jumping out.
Where is it?
Pick it up.
How's that? Yeah, I'm an expert.
He probably is because he works at the.
Right, got it?
Yeah, I've got it. Put it in.
Right, now take it up to the bench. Don't take it off it.
I will. But guys,
Take it
I'll
up.
take it. I'll take it. I'm gonna be fine. I'll do it.
Okay.
Do it together.
To the
Who's
vet.
going to take it? Quick. She's the eldest. All right. The vet's over there.
We'll come back when
The vet, that way.
the vets. We will come back when they've took it to the vets. Okay.